let's review your practice test for MT6. On the first one, you want to graph these because that's what I said to do. You can check it with Desmos, but I want to see the graph on your test. So if I'm going to graph this, I want to get y by itself, so it looks like y equals mx plus b. So I want to multiply everything by 3 in the first equation, so I get y equals 3x, which tells me then my y-intercept is 0 because it's 3x plus 0. I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm going to go down 3 into the left one so I can draw my line a little bit more straight. You only need 2 points if you have a straight edge. Okay, let's do the same thing for the second equation. In the second equation, notice I want to get y by itself, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract x from both sides to start with. So then I'll get y plus 4 equals negative x. Then I'll subtract 4. Can't combine my like terms. So y equals negative x minus 4, which tells me my y-intercept then is negative 4. And my slope is negative 1, which means I go down 1 to the right one. Or if I go up 1 and to the left one, and we can see where those two lines cross. They cross at negative 1 and negative 3. And there's your solution. Okay, let's start again on number 2. I want to get y by itself, so I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So then I'm going to get 3y equals negative x plus 3. I'll divide everything by 3. I'm going to get y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1. So I'm going to graph that one. And when I graph that one, I'm going to go up 1 is my y-intercept. From there, I'm going to go down 1 to the right 3. Or I could go up 1 and to the left 3. That way I can see my line. And let's do the same thing on my second equation. I'm going to rewrite this down here so it's a little bit easier to see. So I'm going to start here with 3y equals negative x plus 9. I'm going to divide both sides by 3, which means every term by 3. So I'll get y equals negative 1/3 x plus 3. Well, let's graph that one. So I'm going to go up 3. And I'm going to go down 1 to the right 3. Or up 1 to the left 3. Notice my two lines are parallel. Didn't draw it very well, but they're parallel. So remember, parallel is no solution. Remember, when you take your test, when I say I want to see you solve the problems by graphing, I want to see the graphs. I want you to graph them by hand. And then tell me where they intersect. It's fine to use Desmos to check, but that's not going to be good enough. If you just give me an answer by typing in Desmos and not graphing it on your paper, you're not going to get any points. You have to do that one.